Okay, Thanksgiving hasn't even started yet, but we're already planning for the leftovers.
Because we're going to have a bunch left over. We are in the Super Home Surplus kitchen right now with Brooklyn Maple from Kentucky Legend. I love everything that's happening up in here. I like Brie, I like turkey, and I like Crostinis, so we're in.
Well, bam.
Bam.
That's what I did for you guys today.
I love it.
We're using our oven roasted turkey, which is my favorite. Honestly, it's probably my favorite product.
Really?
It's so easy. As you can see, it already comes pre-sliced. It's already cooked, so there's not too much action that we have to do.
You know what? This is great,
easy
too.
peasy.
If you don't want to do a full turkey, and it's maybe just 2 or 3 of you at the house for Thanksgiving, this is brilliant. I love that.
Yes.
Super easy.
And now
Brooklyn, I might have started eating it.
you go
I was
after
demonstrating that comes in slices, and then it just
I'm
fell
trying to
flat.
act like this bread isn't the hardest thing I've ever had to cut in my life, but we're
It's
just
okay. You're doing it.
We're
Look
just
at
cutting
you.
some bread here. So if you want to, you can start putting it on the parchment paper.
Got it.
And we are going to brush it with olive oil. Now, what we already did was preheat the oven to 375 degrees.
Okay.
And before we did that, we were really smart, and we made sure that we moved one of the racks all the way up to the highest level. Always
Smart
a good
girl.
idea to do
'Cause you're
that
gonna,
before you
use
turn
the
the
broil
oven
function?
on. Yes, we are going to use the broil function.
Okay.
And you're going to put that in the oven at 375 degrees for only 10 minutes.
Okay.
And Carol, if you don't mind grabbing what's already in the
Well,
oven.
Brooklyn, I don't.
Thank you.
See what's in here.
You
Oh, it's
planned so well today.
goodness.
Like, I am just over the moon with your planning right
I
now,
am so
girlfriend.
happy. Let's hope I don't derail it.
No, you're excellent.
So change-o.
Boom.
Woo! I touch it like it's not really hot. And
Yeah,
then can we
it's
switch
hot.
that over to broil?
Yes.
Just to make sure we're ready. High broil.
Okay, so this
Now.
is 10 minutes.
Yes, we're
put
going to
these
throw
in.
on some turkey.
This is amazing. You know what? This would be so great, honestly, the day after. Or you could even do this like as a little appetizer, too.
Yes.
For sure, anytime, because you just grab this in the deli section. I know
Yes.
I do all the time. I use it for sandwiches.
Yeah, we
Do
do
you want to
sandwiches.
grab a knife real quick right over there and just cut a few pieces of brie? We're going to
Yes,
throw
you
the
may.
brie on top. Ooh, it's on your side, so I'm going to hand the knife right back.
Oh, you want me to cut brie? Oh,
Do
okay.
it.
Oh,
Cut
sorry.
it, Carol. Cut
There we
the brie.
go. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to throw it back into the oven on high broil for just 1 minute. You want that brie to start to really melt. I'm
Okay.
going to hope that it does it in a nice quick fashion.
Yeah,
And
totally.
why we're
Now,
waiting on that.
That's
And here's
usually
the
how
thing.
it works on live TV.
We've had
Everything
this-
works smoothly.
We've had this discussion about do you leave the rind on or do you take it off? I usually take it off, but it's extra steps, so whatever.
Yes, I usually take it off too. I'm not
Okay,
going to lie.
okay.
But I was like, okay, we'll keep it on.
It's easy. It's easy either way. It's fine.
This is
That's
true.
hot.
But
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, is it warm?
Yes.
All right, we need 2
So
more
you're going to
pieces
throw
of
that
cheese.
onto the top rack.
All right, these 2. There we go.
There is one.
Thank you.
Look how
And then that one that we
Yeah,
didn't.
here we go.
So what we do have here is we have the canned cranberry. I know everyone's going to have that. You're going to get more than you need.
Yes.
So we have, look how beautiful that is right there. And it's so gorgeous.
You know what? This is actually my favorite slice of the canned one. Can you see where you see the bottom
Yes.
of the can?
Oh, we
That's-
strive for greatness.
I'm not kidding. That's actually my favorite piece.
You know what I like?
I call it the mom slice.
This is what I like. I like
See
the fact that
that?
this is real life. You guys can pretend like you're going to go get your fresh cranberries and do your food
A
processing.
splash of brandy.
This is what's really going to
Yeah.
happen. This is real life. Okay, so you
So
have
we have
that.
yes, and then we also, I like the red pepper jelly. You don't have to do this. You can actually just stir up the cranberry sauce and dollop
Yeah.
the cranberry on there. I like to kind of mix it up, so what I also used was some red pepper jelly.
So you just mished it all together.
That's all I did, and that's literally all we do. We take it out of the oven. We're going to throw this, dollop it on top, put a little fresh thyme that I have hidden right there, and you're
makes
good.
it look fancy.
Doesn't it?
It
That's
makes
what
it
I
look
was
real
saying.
Yes, look, well, here it is.
Look how
There's the end
pretty.
product.
Brooklyn, that looks beautiful.
Thank you. And it's, I mean, it's so easy. You don't have to worry about grabbing too much for the holidays.
I'm eating one.
Please do. I don't know if it's,
We might need another second. I mean, although for the sake of it, just
see, and we just made it, so.
Oh, that's really good.
I wanted to make sure this looked fresh. I don't have a blowtorch, so I wasn't able to
No,
make it.
it's good. I mean, let's be real. Eating a crostini on television is never pretty.
Well-
so there's going to be crumbs, but it's delicious.
really good.
It doesn't matter if it's pretty if it tastes good.
Right?
But it does look
I'm into
beautiful.
Thank you.
I love that you're doing all of this. Okay.
All right, so Kentucky Legend always
Yeah.
has tips on their website.
Oh, it's all
Recipes.
melty. Ooh.
Yes.
If you want these recipes
Yeah.
for this and more, I mean, we have it on our website too, but you guys
Yes.
always have that.
Sure.
Hey, I'm amazing.
You didn't
Thank
burn yourself at all. Kentucky Legend, check it out. Local grocery stores all around you. More recipes on KentuckyLegend.com. We're just doing this up and we're making it look pretty. Everybody in the green room.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, they get a little nibble.
Christine, so thank you for being on Today in Nashville.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.
All right.
Are you ready?
No.